Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to introduce you to an incredible new AI assistant called Cloudy. Cloudy was created by Anthropic, an AI safety startup founded in 2021. So what makes Cloudy so unique is its constitutional AI approach, which helps ensure it operates ethically and aligns with human values. All right, so let's get into some details here. All right. So it is pleased to announce the new model, Cloudy 2, which has improved performance, longer responses, and can be accessed by the API as well. Okay, so you can get access to that by clicking this link, which I'm going to share in the description below. Okay, and so you can see that the good thing is it can users can input up to 100K tokens in each prompt, which means that Cloudy can work over hundreds of pages or even a book. That makes it so awesome. So as of now, it is only limited to the US and the UK countries. All right. So I hope it's going to be spread wide world very soon. Yeah. So I actually tried out with some of the uses, and I'm going to walk you through how it works. Right. So I tried with uploading the working with documents like the CSV. It can work with PDF, text files, etc. So I tried working with a CSV file to see how it works. So I uploaded the. So you can just go here. What you can do is you can just go here and say stock to. So when you get here, you can start your new chart, right? So if you have a file, you can just upload it, right? Or if you can just go straight up and chat, you can come here and you can rename it or you delete your chat. All right. So I tried uploading the CSV and it's really works well with the CSV files. So this was the data that I actually pulled from Kaggle. This is sample data. So it actually breaks it down. All right. So it says here are some insights about the used cars based on the data provided. All right. The most common models are the Fiesta, the Focus, the Cougar. I mean, this really breaks the data, the fields of the or the columns of the data. It explains each of them, right? So I went forward and I asked some questions on that. Okay, it really does well in the descriptive form of the analysis. Okay, so I said, how many rows are there in the data set? I only had some few rows and it was very accurate with the response. And it said, what is the average price of a car? It actually gave me how the thought processes. I extracted the price column from the data, converted the price to numerical values, calculated the average of the prices. So it can really iterate through the data set and it gave me a pandas code, how it went through doing that. Actually printed the data frame, the prices, all right, converted that to an integer and gave me the mean of the prices. Wow, that is so awesome. All right, so you can I also go through. Second thing I did was I wanted to see the performance of the PDF, right? So the maximum it can go is I think it's 10 megabytes each, right? That is so awesome. So you can upload so many PDF files, and you can be able to analyze each of them. Right. So you can really see here that I uploaded two documents and it gave me based on the PDF documents you provided, here are the key points. I got it. This is so awesome. So it actually breaks down the documents for the first PDF, the second PDF, and it summarizes it. And it said in summary, it gave me the summary of the document. So I can go forward and ask several questions using the each of the files. Right? Right. So the other thing that I actually did was I went through the side of the Python code. So what I did, I wanted to see how it works with the Python code. So it can actually read code. So I wanted to try that. So it can explain the code as well. So what I did was that I said, okay, create a text translation app into Streamlit, and it just went straight up and created the code for that. Okay, so it actually went through the processes, and it gave me the rundown how to install pip, install Streamlit, install the translate model. All right, I'm going to run the app by this. All right, so this is so awesome. So some ways to extend this, you can allow selecting the target languages. So you can change the languages, display the original and the translation side by side. So whatever you want. And I actually uploaded a PDF. Sorry, an app pie. Okay, it's just a code that I was working on. So I wanted the cloud to give me the explanation to this code. I wanted to see how it works. So I said I uploaded it, and it just started giving me the breakdown. It imports the necessary libraries from Streamlit, pandas.env. It loads the .m file to give the OpenAI key. Man, this is so awesome. So I actually confirmed the how it was really working, and I saw it is really working well with the coding aspect of things. So the response from the response channel is played back to the user. Yeah, the app lets you upload CVS files. It's actually giving me the breakdown of the exact thing that I was working on, and that makes it so awesome. Yeah. All right. So these are some. So I'm going to make in-depth tutorials on some of the applications on performing other tasks like data science projects and app creation. So we exploring more with that and how we can also compare that to T4 and see the chat GPT-4 and see how and the 3.5 as well and see how they work together. All right. So if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in the next one.